Hey there and welcome. If you've ever felt stuck because the sections on your Wix website just weren't in the right order, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to move sections around in Wix so your site looks and feels exactly the way you want. Whether you're organizing your homepage, updating your portfolio, or just making things flow better, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident reordering those sections like a pro. Let's dive right in. So here we are inside the Wix editor looking at our website. Now maybe you've built out a few sections, an about section, maybe a gallery, a contact form, but you realize the contact form is way up top and you'd rather have it at the bottom. No problem at all, Wix makes this pretty intuitive. First, take your mouse and hover over the section you want to move. It helps to notice that each section highlights as you move your cursor over it. It's kind of Wix's way of saying, hey, you're in the right place. Once you've got the correct section highlighted, just go ahead and click to select it. This is always the first step, just to be sure you're working with the exact piece you want. Next, you're going to right-click on that section. This brings up a handy little menu. If you take a look near the top of this menu, you'll see options like Move Up and Move Down. Let's say you want to move your section down just one spot. Go ahead and click Move Down. You'll see right away, almost like magic, your section drops just below the one it was above. It's a quick change that can make your site instantly easier to navigate for your visitors. If you accidentally move it too far or just want to see how it looks somewhere else, simply right-click again and hit Move Up to pop it back. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. You can move sections up and down as many times as you need until you find that sweet spot. But what if you want full flexibility and need to move a section a few spots away, or from the bottom right to the very top? There's another method for that, and it's just as straightforward. After selecting your section, right-click again. This time select Cut. If keyboard shortcuts are more your thing, you can hit Ctrl+X. Think of this like picking up a puzzle piece from one place so you can drop it somewhere new. Now scroll through your site to find exactly where you want that section to go. Maybe you want to place it between your services and your testimonials. Just click on the section you want it to come after. This helps Wix know where to paste your moved piece. Then it's as simple as right-clicking and selecting Paste, or use Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Wix will drop the section in right where you want it. Give it a moment. Sometimes, especially on bigger sites, moving lots of content can take a second. If you don't see it instantly, just hang in there. Wix will do its thing, and if it lands in the wrong spot, no stress, you can repeat the process or use the Move Up and Move Down options to fine-tune the order. And that's all there is to it. Moving sections in Wix is really that simple, and it gives you so much control over your site's design and how your story unfolds for your visitors. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, and if you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.